How to make 20 YouTube videos in one day with AI for a faceless YouTube channel, YouTube automation. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be discussing about YouTube and how you can create YouTube videos in bulk and actually have a great YouTube channel where you can upload almost daily, and on the daily you can upload like 5 to 6 or 10 or even 20 videos. So you get the whole gist of it, you get the whole point of it, and I'm going to be explaining it to you in like the quickest and easiest methods by using a few AIs. Okay, we're going to use 2 to 3 AIs, and all those AIs, trust me, they work wonder. They are pretty easy to understand, they're really easy to get your head behind, and they just work amazingly with each other. So we're going to be doing all of that in this video, and it's going to be really great and really fun. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end and listen to all the information and details that I have to provide you with, because if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that by the end of this video you're going to fully learn how you can make YouTube videos in bulk for a faceless channel. So without further ado, let's get started and straight into it. Now, to start things off, what we are going to want to do is we're going to come over to ChatGPT. Okay, that's the first tool that we're going to use. Now, we are going to use ChatGPT for, writing ourselves some content, creating content and writing ourselves a script. Now, the script could be derived from, any basic niche. So obviously, every YouTube channel has a basic niche. So let's say our YouTube channel is faceless, right? Now, many faceless YouTubers have done things like, there's famous people like H2O Delirious who are still faceless and he makes gaming videos, or there's How to Basic and he makes, there's those crazy humorous videos about cooking and stuff. And then there's like, a whole lot more, how to recap and stuff, the channel that recaps movies. There's channels that makes, anime edits and stuff. And these all are faceless YouTubers because no one's ever seen them. Like, people don't know how they look or how they sound like. But I'd say the best thing that you can do for a faceless YouTuber is the story time channels. Okay. Now, what do those channels do? They basically create stories, basically. So, creating stories on ChatGPT is like one of the easiest things that you can do, to be honest. Because when it comes to creating stories, ChatGPT is an absolute master. And you're obviously gonna let your ChatGPT know what kind of YouTube channel you are running, so it gets an idea of what kind of things that it needs to put up. So we're gonna send a message, and I'm gonna write me a script for a storytelling YouTube channel, or script for 18 plus. Okay, and you're gonna add that, and now we're just gonna wait for it to write us a good script. So as you can see, haunting at Blackwood Manor, dimly lit dusty room with antique furniture. And as we can see, like, the narration is absolutely amazing, and there's proper story structures and a lot of things that could be found in other movies is also found over here. Like, there's references to other movies and stuff like that. So pretty great and easy stuff to actually get your head behind. Now, moving on, once you've got, a proper script, and once you've gotten a good general idea and output, what you're going to do from here on out is you're going to convert this text to speech. Okay, now how are you going to convert the text to speech? Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to move over to a text to speech AI, and we're going to go to v.io. Now v.io is an amazing AI that converts your text to speech. So obviously you'll have your text, but now you're also gonna have your audio. Okay, so we're gonna go in text to speech, and here's your text. So obviously here's your title, and I'm just gonna add this much for now just to, have a small output to see how things are. So, wait, let me just not exceed the limit. And you can also raise your limit, by the way, if you have like an updated plan. So here we go. That's my limit, so I'm gonna stay in that. So once we do this, yeah, then you're gonna choose your voice. Okay, let's say I'm gonna choose this voice, and yeah, I'm gonna do that, and yeah, let's go ahead and generate our audio. So there we have it.
Title: The Haunting at Blackwood Manor. Int: Blackwood Manor living room night. Dimly lit, dusty room with antique furniture. The fireplace crackles, casting eerie shadows on the walls. A young woman, Lucy, sits in a worn out armchair, facing tea.
So you can see you get the general idea and output of it because, like, it sounds flawless, to be honest. I love the way it sounds, and you can obviously make your text sound like this also. But obviously, the issue with every text to speech platform is that you're gonna have to buy it, okay? Like you're gonna have to buy the plans and stuff off of it. So yeah, that's one milestone. So, but if you cross that milestone, trust me, from there on out, you're gonna be doing these editing things with like a piece of cake. It's that easy. So really great stuff to have for your page. Now, moving on, more things that you can do. Obviously, this was just your, like, you have your script, okay, which is going to be your content. You have your audio, which we just converted using, our basic v.io. Now, finally, we need images because obviously we can't just keep it on a black screen. We need proper images. So we're going to go over to Dolly 2, okay? And here's Dolly 2. So what does Dolly 2 do? You can basically create images, generate images using prompts, okay? So we're going to come here, and here's Dolly, create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. You're going to come here, I'm going to open it up, and here we are. So start with a detailed description, impressionist painting, sunflowers in a purple ways, etc., etc. So you can come here and write, horror stuff. So let's say I'm gonna write haunting, or I'm just gonna write haunted hill house. Let's go ahead and write that. And let's see what kind of output it gives. Obviously, you can add more like detailed prompts just to, get a much clearer output, but you get the whole gist of it. So look at that. It gives us prompts like that, and you can add these images, and it just gives you a good output. So you get the point. And that is how you can make tons and tons of faceless YouTube videos in bulk. And like, look at this. We just did this in 10 minutes. So you can make 10 videos in 100 minutes, which is like what, an hour. And you can make 20 videos in 200 minutes, which is almost like 3 to 4 hours. So making 20 videos in 4 hours, it's huge. So trust me, you need to get on this right now and start doing this as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.